So I guess now, boys and girls, in this part of the video, I'm going to be checking the 2x4s for the crown. Gonna make sure that it's bowed this way, not bowed this way, so it doesn't rockety rock. At least that's what the videos tell me. So let's see. You guys are the carpenters.
Right here, the camera starts to slip and it changes the angle just a little bit.
Measured. It's like 73 and a half. You watch the video, blah, blah, blah. 6 feet and a half in the back. So this is gonna be my back wall. Gonna go get my new saw, put the battery in, and see if that fucker works. This video is not brought to you by Mountain Dew, but I like drinking it, especially the diet. I don't drink booze, but this is probably what's gonna kill me. Good old sweet corn syrup. All right, so let's take a look-see here. Motherfucker. There's always a high probability of injury when using power tools. Works. I'm gonna go over there and see if I can take off a piece of this sheeting from last week. Wish me luck. Not the greatest job. Got all my fingers. And it cuts. So, rigid, little 18-volt circular saw. Rip through that OSB. Now let's see what it does with some 2x4s. All right, well, there you have it. Rigid, 18-volt, cordless, battery-powered circular saw. Rip through those 2x4s. Rip through that OSB. Got that in a drill. I think for 159 bucks. I guess for an at-home do-it-yourselfer type shit, can't complain. All right, time to start hammering this shit together and putting up the wall. Alrighty. Got these drilled in. Figuring out how to use my drill so it actually fucking works. Might have been the same problem I had last time when doing the floor. Fucking some shit up. But go ahead and screw the top plate on and then try to put this up. All right, working up a good sweat. Got the back wall up, work on the side walls, and be done for the day.
I figure I might do a little cleanup right here, so I started picking up a few things. So I had to make another trip up to the Home Depot and pick up some 2x4x8s because I didn't get them the first time when I went this morning.
Something I should have had earlier today. This carpenter's square, they call it. And I got these. I think these are better screws. Now, I thought I was recording, but I just cut these 2x4s. So now I'm gonna attach them to these, whether headers or footers, whatever the fuck they're called, I don't know. Put them on there, put up that side, should be good to go. Alright, so the biggest problem for me in putting this whole shitstorm together is the drill bits and the screw heads and fucking stripping out. They strip out. It's gotten a little better, so I don't know if it was the actual screw, if it was the actual bit. I watched a bunch of videos about how they should fit, wada. This one fit really good. It worked better on on a lot of the screws. It worked better today, but I still did strip some out. So got some different screws. I'm gonna try this bit, see how it works, and see what we can do. This is why construction shit is so fucking frustrating. So this is the only fucking head bit I got. Bought the wrong fucking heads because they just look like fucking screws. But no, they gotta be some fucking weird thing. What's the point? Just make them fucking Phillips head, for Christ's sake. Party foul. Alright, well, hey, that's about what I got right now, folks. What do you think? Alright, so I'm gonna put the front on. Alright. That's the front here. Gonna put door, double door, swinging double doors. And then unfortunately, probably gonna have to cut some branches off that tree. Didn't think it was gonna be that high, but you know what? Pretty cool. Coming along. All right. Peace out, Boy Scout. Until next weekend, when maybe I get the front, maybe start it on the roof. Maybe, I don't know.